All of you open your book. Exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2, all of you open. In this exercise, we have done up to which question? Up to which question we have done? Can you tell me? So, perhaps up to question number 24. 25. Up to 26 I have to. You can see the question number 26.
Sir, up to 26 you have done.
26 we have done.
Sir,
So,
yes, sir.
Then question number 27. Here it is given 27, 28, both are of same type. It is given a square minus 3a plus 1 equals to 0. And you have to find the value of a square plus 1 upon a square, a cube plus 1 upon a cube. These values you have to find. So see here, what will you do? Here there is a special technique. A square minus 3a plus 1 equals to 0. You divide both sides by a. Divide both sides by a. Dividing by a. When you will divide both sides by a, what will you get? A square minus 3a plus 1 divided by a equals to 0 upon a. Now you separate the terms. So a square upon a minus 3a upon a plus 1 upon a equals to 0. What is a square upon a?
Sir, a.
A minus 3a upon a, 3 plus 1 upon a equals to 0. Means a plus 1 upon a equals to 3. What have you have got? A plus 1 upon a.
A plus 1 upon a is equal to 3.
3. It is clear? A plus 1 upon a equals to 3. Now you have to find this value. हमने इसको किसमें चेंज कर लिया? A plus 1 upon a. Have you got?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to find this. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे?
Sir, a plus 1a का whole square, 1 upon a का whole square.
If you do the square of both the sides, you will get this. और इसके लिए क्या करेंगे?
Sir, a plus 1 upon a whole cube.
Whole cube. You will do the cube. इसके लिए स्क्वायर और इसके लिए क्यूब करेंगे. So you can see here. Now it is very simple. A plus equals to c square. Now you open. A square plus 1 upon a square plus 2 equals to 9. A square plus 1 upon a square plus 2 equals to 9. So what is a square plus 1 upon a square?
9 minus 2.
9 minus 2 equals to 7.
7.
It is 7. Now all of you see here. Second part is a cube plus 1 upon a cube. You have to find. And what is given to you? A plus 1 upon a is given. it is equal to 3. So in the previous question, I have told to you that you can find this by cubing both the sides. By cubing both the sides, you can find this. But now I will tell you another method.
Yes, sir.
Here, what is the other way? You can use this formula. A plus 1 upon A in one bracket, in the other A square plus 1 upon A square minus 1. It's clear? This is also one formula, all of you remember. How have you find this?
Yep.
By using this formula. A cube plus B cube equals to A plus B in one bracket, in the other A square plus B square minus AB. Means here in place of A, there is A. In place of B, there is 1 upon A. It's clear? यहाँ पर
Yes,
B
sir.
के प्लेस पर क्या रख दिया गया? 1 upon A. So in one bracket you will get A plus 1 upon A. Then A square plus 1 upon A square. And when you will find AB, so A into 1 upon A means 1. So we will use this formula. So it will be A cube plus 1 upon A cube. What is A plus 1 upon A? 3. In the other bracket, A square plus 1 upon A square. What is A square plus 1 upon A square? You can see here it is equal to 7. 7 minus 1. That is 3 into 6 equals to 18. Have you understood? सबको समझ में आ
Yes,
गया?
sir.
Now see here.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you can do the next question also. Its hint is also given. It's clear? I am explaining to that hint. I will not solve it completely. Question number 28. A equals to 1 upon A minus 5. It's clear? What will you do? You multiply this with A. When you will multiply this with A equals to 1. Open the bracket, on opening the bracket, what will you get?
A square minus 5.
A square minus 5A. Bring A in this side, 1 in this side. So minus 1.
Minus 1 is equal to
Now what will you do? जैसे previous question में
divide
किया था,
each side
क्या
by
करें?
A.
Dividing each side by A. As you have done in the previous question. Here what you have done? You can see. You have divided both sides of it by A. You can see here. Have you got? इस तरीके से था, दोनों साइड को A से डिवाइड कर दिया. So here also you will do the same thing. Dividing each side by A. When you will divide, so A square minus 5A minus 1 upon A equals to 0 upon A. You separate the terms. A square upon A. 5A
Sir,
upon
your
A.
video stop.
But in my side, it is clear. Listen here,
Sir, now-
sometimes there are the network problems. It may be either in your side or in my side. But here in my side, it is okay. I can show you. दिखाएंगे कैसे. So have you got?
Yes, sir.
So now a minus 5a upon a minus 5 minus 1 upon a equals to 0. Now you bring 5 in the other side. So a minus 1 upon a equals to 5. Have you got? This is the first part. सबको समझ में आ गया? Have
Yes,
you
sir.
understood the first part? Now the second part is, what is second part? Who can tell?
A plus 1 upon A.
A plus 1 upon a. How will you find? This value is given and you have to find this. I told one formula. क्या होता है? A plus 1 upon a whole square equals to A minus 1 upon a whole square. फिर क्या लिखेंगे?
-4.
प्लस 4.
Okay.
अगर इधर प्लस है तो इधर भी यहाँ प्लस होगा.
Okay, sir.
तो A minus 1 upon a 5 square plus 4. 25 plus 4 29. So what is A plus 1 upon
5 का
a?
whole square.
A plus 1 upon a. 5 square plus 4, that is 29, means square root 29.
Square root 29.
It is clear?
Yes,
Now
sir.
in the third part you have to find a square minus 1 upon a square. इसका एक फार्मूला हमने बताया था.
Yes, sir.
What will be a square minus 1 upon a square?
A minus 1 upon A into A plus 1 upon A.
Yes, in one bracket a plus 1 upon a, in the other bracket a minus 1 upon a. Now a plus 1 upon a, just now you have find root 29, and a minus 1 upon a, it is equal to 5. So it will be 5 square root 29. No need to put plus minus sign, there is no need. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to explain you question number 30. All of you see it very carefully. It is a very good question. Different from all other questions which are given here. X is given 5 minus 2 root 6. And you have to find this value. Value of this. This you have to find. It is clear? What is given to us? This is given. So see here, how will you do? We will find out its whole square. तो देख लो इसको, इसके होल स्क्वायर को ओपन करने के लिए कौन सा फार्मूला यूज करेंगे? A plus B whole square equals to, who can tell?
A square
Nandini
plus
Garg.
square.
Nandini Garg.
A square plus B.
A plus B whole square equals to what? A square plus B square
B square
plus
plus 2B.
2AB. What is in place of A here?
Square root X.
Square root X.
In place of B?
1 upon square root
1
X.
upon square root X.
1 upon root X. So it is root X का whole square plus 1 upon root X का whole square plus 2AB. 2 into root X into 1 upon root X. When you will simplify, what will you get? Square root वाली किसी भी उसका square करते हैं, what happens? Square root is removed. Square root is removed. So you will get X. Here
X.
you will get 1 upon
1
x.
upon x.
And here what will you get? This and this
Plus
will
2.
cancel. Plus 2.
Plus 2.
Means you can see here root x plus 1 upon root x whole square. This is equals to this. Root x plus 1 upon root x whole square equals to this. Now value of x is known to you. You find out the value of 1 upon x. 1 upon x means 5 minus 2 root 6. Now what will you do?
Sir,
इसको
rationalize
कैसे-
the denominator.
by rationalizing. रेशलाइजिंग के लिए क्या करेंगे? 5 plus 2 root 6 से ऊपर एंड नीचे we will multiply. We will multiply with its conjugate. Conjugate means यहाँ minus है, so you write plus. So it will be 1 5 plus 2 root 6. And this will be 5 minus 2 root 6 into 5 plus 2 root 6. So see here, it will be 5 plus 2 root 6. It is a minus b into a plus b.
Yes,
That
sir.
is a square minus b square.
B square.
So it is 5 square minus
2 root 6 का whole square.
so it is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. 5 square is 25. 2 square 4 6 are 24. Clear? So you can see here. It is 5 plus 2 root 6 upon 1. Means 1 upon x equals to 5 plus 2 root 6 upon 1. So see here, we can write here. One upon x equals to 5 plus 2 root 6. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So now you can find this value from here. Root x plus 1 upon root x whole square. So you can see root x plus 1 upon root x whole square. This is equals to x plus 1 upon x plus 2. X is how much? 5 minus 2 root 6.
6.
What is 1 upon x? It is 5 plus
2 root 6.
2 root 6 plus 2. This and this cancel. That is equals to 12. So if you take the square root, it is square root 12. How will you simplify square root 12? 2 2 ja 4 3 ja 12. That is plus minus 2 root 3. All of you see it and then tell me whether it is clear or not. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir, the answer is 2 root 3.
Yes, answer is 2 root 3. Now, after this, you can see here question number 31, 32, 33, 34. All are based on the same formula. All the 4 questions are based on the same formula. From where to where? Question number 31 say 34. They are based on the same formula. What is the formula you see here? A plus B plus C whole square. Who can tell?
Sir, a square plus b square plus c square into ab plus bc plus ca.
Yes. It is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 within bracket ab plus bc plus ca. कैसे बोलेंगे? 2 within bracket ab plus bc plus ca. This way you will speak. It's clear? Now see
Okay, sir.
here. I'm taking question number 34. Here it is given a plus b minus c equals to 5 and a square plus b square plus c square equals to 29, and you have to find this value you have to find. So what will you do? You do the square of both the sides. Do the square of both the sides. A plus b minus c whole square equals to 5 square. And compare this thing with this formula. What will you get in place of a? A के place पर यहाँ क्या है?
A
What
square.
is here? What is in place of a?
A.
A. What is in place of B?
B.
What is in place of C?
Minus C.
Minus C. Very good.
Minus C.
In place of A, there is A. In place of B, there is B. But in place of C, there is minus C.
Minus C.
Why it is minus C? Because in the formula here it is plus and it is minus. It is clear? So now when you will substitute here, everywhere you will take minus C in place of C. C के place पर क्या लेंगे? Minus C. So now you see here, you expand. This is a square plus b square plus minus c whole square plus 2 within bracket a into b plus b into minus c plus minus c into a, bracket close, equals to 5 square is 25. Now you simplify. A का स्क्वायर a square, b का स्क्वायर b square, minus का स्क्वायर is plus, so it is square. Within bracket ab plus minus minus
C.
minus
C.
25. Now what is a square plus b square plus c square? It is given 29. This thing is given 29.
29.
So you 29 AB minus BC minus CA equals to 25. So you take 29 in that side. (25) minus 29, that is equals to minus 4. So what is AB minus BC minus CA?
Minus 4 upon
Minus
2.
2.
Minus 2.
Minus.
You got?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 35 you can do. That is very simple by using which formula that I am writing here. Who can tell which formula will be used in question number 35?
A minus B का whole square is equal to A square plus B square
No,
minus.
no. A minus B का whole square. Yes, first you will find the value of AB. Yes. A minus B का
whole
whole
square.
A square plus B square minus 2AB. By using this formula, you find the value of AB. AB की value हम find out करेंगे.
Yes,
It's
sir.
clear? You substitute A minus B.
7 का
A
whole
square
square.
plus B square 85. So 2AB you bring in this side. 85 minus 49, that is equals to 36. So
36.
AB equals to 80. AB equals to 80.
14.
Now you have to find A cube minus B.
A
So what is the formula? You know, A minus B in the other bracket, A square plus B square minus AB. Now everything is given, you can do. What is A minus B? 7. What is A square plus B square? It is given 85. In the book it is given. And AB you have calculated as it. So now you can do.
80. Yes,
That is
sir.
clear? Now all of you see here next question. If the sum of x is 3, if the number x, question number
Sir,
30.
answer is 7 to 1.
That is here it is given. If x is 3 less than the number y, x is 3 less than, means x equals to y minus 3. Means what will be x minus y? Minus. And the sum of the squares of x and y is 29. Sum of the squares means x square plus y square equals to 29. So you have to find the product of x and y, that is x into y you have to find. So now it is very simple that you can do. कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करके स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 2xy.
XY.
So you can find xy. It's clear? Minus y is given minus 3. X square plus y square is given 29. You can find xy. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Question number 37. The sum and product of two numbers is 8 and 15. So first you assume let numbers are x and y. So what is their sum? X plus y equals to 8. And their product xy equals to, find the sum of their cubes, that is x cube plus y cube you have to find. How will you find?
Sir,
By
x plus y
cubing
का whole square.
both sides. So this will be x cube plus y cube plus 3xy within bracket x plus y equals to 512. X cube plus y cube plus 3. What is xy? Into 15 into 8 equals to 512. So x cube plus y equals to 512 minus, so it will be 45 into 8 minus, so it will be 152.
Yes, sir.
So now all of you complete your work up to the exercise 3.2. Now, up to now, I
Yes, sir.
finished how many chapters? 3 chapters.
Yes, sir.
And you do each and every question of all the exercises. It's clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
next chapter which I will begin is the factorization. And here in factorization also, the first two are very, very simple. पहली दो क्या है एक्सरसाइजेज बहुत ही सिंपल. So not today. Now
Yes, sir.
I am giving some time to you. In that time you complete it. So most probably from Monday we will begin factorization.
Yes, yes,
Because
yes.
now Eid is coming and then there will be holiday. So most probably from Monday factorization I will begin. So you can complete your work. And some students are not sending.